Okay, students, so you have to do these four questions in your neat copies. Question number one is, what are proteins? Name the food that contain proteins. Proteins are the nutrients that help our body in growth. Egg, chicken, mutton, fish, beef, and peas. These foods contain proteins. Number two is, what do you know about carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are nutrients that give us quick energy. Children who play a lot and people who do physical labor need a lot of carbohydrates. Question number three is, why are fats important for our body? Fats are nutrients that give our body energy to store. Fat also helps to keep us warm. Question number four is, what are minerals? Name the food that contain minerals. Answer is, minerals are required in small quantities to remain healthy. Some minerals also help to build body parts. Apple, spinach, milk, and banana. These contain minerals.